Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is bringing you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't make notification sounds. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I forget when it started, but my Android phone isn't making notification sounds. This annoys me because it means I can't receive text messages or other notifications in time. This often causes me to miss text messages with friends. Has anyone else had the same problem? How do you fix your Android phone not making notification sounds? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. Don't panic when your Android phone isn't making a sound and you're getting a notification. To save you, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Silent state. The solution is to unsilence. Your phone is very likely in silent mode, which is why your Android phone stops making notification sounds. To resolve this issue, please unmute your Android phone. Please try the following steps. WN from the top of your phone screen, then swipe down again to open the full menu. In the menu, you'll see the volume buttons. Tap the volume icon to unmute. Afterward, ensure your phone's volume isn't at its lowest setting. This should resolve the how to fix Android notification sound not working issue. Cause 2. Do not disturb mode status. The solution is to disable Do Not Disturb mode. Besides silent mode affecting notification sounds, Do Not Disturb mode on Android phones also hides notification sounds. Therefore, try disabling Do Not Disturb mode to fix the notification sound is not coming issue. To disable Do Not Disturb mode, follow these steps. Swipe down from the top of your phone screen, then swipe down again to open the full menu. In the menu, find the Do Not Disturb menu and check if it's enabled. If so, disable it immediately. Afterward, the no notification sound issue should be resolved. Cause 3. Bluetooth device connected. The solution is to disconnect the Bluetooth connection. If your Android phone is connected to a Bluetooth device, such as Bluetooth headphones, you won't hear notification sounds if you're not wearing the headphones. This could mislead people into thinking there's a problem with notification sounds randomly stopping. Therefore, check your Android phone's Bluetooth connection. If other devices are connected, disconnect them immediately. Then check if the problem of no notification sounds is resolved. Cause 4. Unknown fault. The solution is to seek professional help. If only a specific application is not making notification sounds, you can uninstall and reinstall it, or go to settings and turn on notification sounds. Make sure the status is set to alert, not silent. If all applications are not making notification sounds and you've tried the above 3 solutions, we recommend taking your phone to the brand service center for professional help. Let them check and fix the phone is not making a noise when I get a notification problem. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix Android no notification sound when locked, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.